Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you all this headband wig that I got from HERGIVENHAIR. So headband wigs have been trending for a while now, but this is my very first time trying one, so thank you so much to HERGIVENHAIR for sending me this wig. So I first started by showing you guys the contents of the package. I got a regular black headband, a cheetah print type headband, one of these turban type, which are really great for doing like a high puff look, and I also got a regular scarf. Then there's also the wig instruction book, and it also comes with a few extra wig combs. So I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch as I unbox everything, and then I will come back when it's time to move on to applying the wig. So moving on to preparing my hair for applying the wig, all I did was comb my hair all the way back into a low bun, and this does need to be very neat because it's not going to show anyways. And then I moved on to doing my edges like I normally do. I use the Eco Styler Crystal gel, and I just use a small comb and this edge brush to do them. So I'm just going to continue doing my edges, and then I would apply a stocking cap over my head, and I will be back when that is finished. Now moving on to applying the wig, I'm going to be just placing that onto my head, and then I'm going to start by adjusting the combs, starting with the one in the middle, and then I'm going to do the two on the sides. And after I've finished that, I'm going to attach the velcro strap at the back, and then I'm going to apply the last comb, which is in the back. I'm going to be applying this over the velcro strap. So here I'm just pulling back the headband a bit so that my edges can show. If you don't like your edges to show much, if you like, you really want to protect your edges, then you can just pull this all the way to the front, but I like my edges to show. So moving on, I'm just going to be defining the curls using some hair conditioner mixed with water in a spray bottle, and I'm going to really saturate this here because the first time defining the curls, and I'm going to be combing through that using a large tooth comb. While I continue to define the hair, I'm just going to be giving you guys a bit of information on the wig. So this is the HERGIVENHAIR curly headband wig in the 3B3C texture. This is 16 inches and I'm wearing a medium cup size. I forgot to mention earlier, but there are also two adjustable straps in the back. So as I mentioned, I used a medium cup size, but it was still a bit too big for me. So I just adjusted the two straps in the back and that fit perfectly.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Lastly, I'm just applying some styling mousse to further help define the curls, and that will be the completed look. You guys would see me apply one of the headbands, and you would also see in the end how the hair looks when it's completely dried. So yeah, that will be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumb up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications when you subscribe, comment down below, follow me on Instagram. The link to that would be down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Oh, you make me wanna talk about